Hello guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration, and for other open source application. Okay guys, so for today video guys, we will continue our setup. For today we will gonna do a tutorial on how you configure or install the AMD .io. So AMD.io is used by advanced AI technology to detect the answering machine detection. So for today, we will gonna do a update installation because AMD owner send us an update installation and setup for the AMD.io. So once again, so this video is for the AMD.io, the advanced AI technology to detect the answering machine for call centers. So it's really work great for our clients. So if you want to try, we're giving on 5 days trial for the software or the connection for the AMD, so that you can see how is going on your calls when you have AMD.io in your system. Okay, so for today we will show you on how to install it. So first, I have now on my dialer, so I'm just gonna log in. So first of all, we need to you need to log into your PuTTY or the backend access of your dialer. Okay, let me check. Yeah, and then you only need this installation. Okay, so first, so the installation is very simple. In order to start using the AMD, you will need to install the AMD.py script. So the owner is already created a script so that it's come easily for the installation. So first, this module, so this one for the BusyBox 9 to 11, for BusyBox 7 and 8, and for the CentOS and Alma Linux. So for now, we are using I think we are using a BusyBox. So if I check my OS release, yeah, we are using BusyBox 11.0 via OpenSULIP 5.15. So we need to use only this one. Just copy this one. Okay, copy, and then you can paste directly on your PuTTY, and then press enter, and then you need to wait a few minutes. Okay, so then installation will start. Okay, okay, so you need to wait few minutes. So once it's finished, so we are ready to configure. We can proceed on the next step, configuring the campaign, enable the AMD options, and some settings over there. Okay, so once again, if you like our videos, so don't forget to give us a like and give us a share so that we always updated on our latest video. I need to put on a little bit small, because I set too big. Okay, yeah, it's done now. Okay, okay, so it's done. As you can see, AMD I did not done anything. I just run the command and automatically install for me. Okay, and then you need to, if you want to double check, you can copy this one and run it, but uh, you will see only this one. Okay, so once you see this, it means it's working fine, there is no error. So you cannot check if you then uh, once you are ready, just give us your IP to me, or you can message direct to the owner, email them, email him, so that they can. And once you email the owner, just tell them that you are from HB tutorial, or on the YouTube video for made by HBT tutorial, and then and request for 1 week free trial. Okay, so 1 week free trial for the AMD.io, so that they can give you a free trial. Okay, so and after that, if you want to purchase it, so they just request them and tell them you wanna continue the service. So they will request for an invoice. You can pay it via PayPal or credit card. I think credit card option. Okay, so now we're gonna proceed on the second step. So our second step will be this one. So enable the AMD agent routing option for the campaign. So where we can look at that. So just look for this one, the AMD routing option, just set enable. Okay. So you need to go to your log into your administrative, your dialer. Okay. So after you log in, you need to go to your campaign and then select the modified. Okay, and you need to scroll it down and look for that AMD option. Okay, as you can see here, AMD agent route option is disabled. Okay, so you need to set to enable, and then you need to click the submit to apply. Okay, the service. Okay, after you applied, okay, so we're done on the we're done on the third step. Okay, and then gonna proceed on the port. Yeah, for third step, this the third point 3.1 step, and then the 3.2 step is will be here. So you need to go back again on your AMD agent option. Okay, we need to go back on our AMD agent option. We are here, so as you can see, so it's already highlighted on blue. So you need to click, and then it said you need to put human. Okay, and then scroll it down, and then submit. Okay, after you submit, you need to go back again to your campaign, click modify. Okay, okay, and then go back to the tutorial. Okay, so this one on our port step, also leave human, so we are done. Okay, and then rebuild telephony server configuration. So where we can see this one, so you need to go to your admin settings. Okay, so check, go to the admin again, system settings, and look for the rebuild the following. Okay, so you can see over here beside the this one, this not one, where I have for this one, reload diaphragm. Wait, uh system settings. Okay, we check the rebuild. I think it's here. Oh no, you need to, I think, reload only, no need to rebuild, because it will automatically reload on our dial plan. But here, as you can see, admin, that's on the server setting, but we will reload first all the dial plan, and we need to go to the servers, modified. Okay, and then you can select this one. Actually, you can set to yes or all of the options, and then that one. Okay, okay, if we check over here. Okay, so after that, uh So we are finishing the
Napindot ako, paano to?
we already done the rebuild. So we need to go now, we need to go back again to our campaign. So look for the routing extension, change to 8370 to engage AMD AI AMD. So if and then after the free trial is done, you can go back and set back to your regular routing station. 8368 is the default one, 8369 if you still enabling the AMD application for BG dial. Okay, so I need to go back to the campaign again. Modify. Okay, so look for the route routing extension. Replace this one to 8370. Okay, then submit again. Okay, done. So we're done. So once the owner of the AMD.ai give a go signal, that your IP, that your server IP already whitelisted to their switch, so you can now ready to use the AMD application, the AMD AI application. So you can, it will gonna boost your sales and agent connectivity for the customer or the lead. So it will lessen the answering machine, dead calls or dead air calls, that one. So it gonna really boost your sales 100%. So don't waste your don't waste money from for the don't waste more money for your dialer for your calls. So just go for AMD AI. So it will gonna okay guys, so once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic setup installation for open source and other open source applications. Okay, so once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe it, and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys and have a nice day. See you on our next video. Bye bye.